This week, I'm going to try and make these dollar store cutouts a little more crafty with the scroll saw. Need some more handmade element to it. It kills me that these are $1 though. Let's see what we can do with them. Fall is upon us. All of the decorations in the stores went up way too early this year. I felt like we're still having 90-degree days, so it's hard for me to get all that interested in doing some fall stuff. I always get suckered in though when I go to the dollar store. Now I know I said I could make this, but this was $1. That's ridiculous. So I'm going to see what I can do with it so I can add some homemade touches to this piece. Maybe cut grateful out on the scroll saw. And then I found these pumpkins also at the dollar store. So maybe fall on the scroll saw, do some stain. We'll have to see. To cut something out on the scroll saw. Ideally 1 inch tall. And then what does that say? 5 inches long. What was I thinking? Come on. Alright, so this is... Ooh. That's going to be teeny tiny. Oh my gosh. Am I even going to be able to read that? Maybe I'll leave it a little bit bigger like that. Then for the pumpkin, I was thinking I'd do something bigger, like fall or... Oh, don't need to see all those pictures. How big is that? 6 inches, maybe? So if I do each letter big, I'll have to think about this. What do you think? That size or this size? I'm a little concerned that we wouldn't be able to read the smaller size. Also concerned about cutting it out on the scroll saw. Taken me forever to get motivated to finish this project. 90-degree days do not make for fall decorations. Hopefully it'll cool off soon. I think I'm going with the lowercase L's. They don't quite fit where I want them to. I've got to play with this. And then my truck, I think that grateful's too small. I think I like home, maybe. I don't know. There's something about the Walton Mountains truck that says home to me. We'll see. Oops, I didn't pay attention to what I was downloading and where. It's not in the right place. Figures. Now the question is, do I download other photos into the same box or not?